Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay Shopee. At ang sender natin ay si My Boo Home.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
Bali guys, ang order ko rito is yung spray head.
Hindi, wow.
So, i-unbox natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. So guys, si seller is legit. So ito yung order ko guys. Spray head yan sa pang spray. Yung nakikita nyo sa mga barbershop. Ito yon. So ito yung guys. Spray head. Guys, si seller's legit. Thank you for watching.